Hi, welcome to Learn English with Alison, the fun and easy way to learn English. My name is Justine and I am the English Vertical Manager here at Alison. Today we are going to learn about adjectives. Are you ready? Let's get started. First, what is an adjective? Well, an adjective is a word that describes a noun or a pronoun. Not sure what a noun or a pronoun is? Check out our other videos for more information. English has a lot of different adjectives, like old, tall, blue, beautiful, hungry. These are just a few examples of the many adjectives in English. There are two common ways to use adjectives. You can use adjectives before the noun or pronoun they describe, or after a linking verb. A linking verb is like the verb be. Am is are. Let's look at some examples. I have a blue car. In this sentence, the adjective blue describes the noun car. She is happy. In this sentence, the adjective happy describes the pronoun she. Let's test your knowledge of adjectives with a 3-question quiz. I will show you a picture and you need to choose the best adjective to describe the picture. Ready? Number 1, he is. He is sad. Number 2, she has a dog. She has a big dog. Number 3, pizza is. Pizza is delicious. Great work today. Remember, you can check out our other videos to improve your language skills, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to stay updated with all of the new English learning videos from Alison. I will also leave a link in the description for some other free English language learning resources. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!